In this video, I will be showing you how I upload a video file directly to ChatGPT to help me analyze footage, extract data, or summarize long clips without having to watch them all the way through. I'm starting right here on the ChatGPT homepage, ready to begin a new session. To get my video file into the chat, I'll move my cursor down to the text input bar at the bottom and click on the small plus icon. From the menu that appears, I'll select the option to add photos and files from my device. This opens up my computer's file explorer, where I'll navigate straight to my videos folder to find the specific clip I want to use. I'll select my video file and then click Open to begin the upload process. You'll notice the file attaching to the message bar immediately. Once the video is fully loaded and ready to go, I'll add a specific prompt to the text field to tell the AI exactly what I need, like summarize this video in 5 key points, or transcribe the first 2 minutes of this clip. Then I'll click the Send button. In just a few moments, ChatGPT will process the video's frames and audio to provide a detailed analysis and start the session based on the actual content. This is a massive time saver for me when I'm working on research projects, verifying visual details, or trying to pull insights from recorded interviews. I use this feature constantly to organize my video library and quickly find the information I need without any manual scrubbing. If you found this walkthrough helpful for your own workflow, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tips and tutorials.